run it in 4 seconds, that's 7.5 hit factor, right? 28 times 4, or 7.5 times 4 would be 30.
Come on, Ethan. Make ready. Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. If you're finished, unload, show clear. If clear, hammer down and holster.
Yeah, that'll kill you.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. If you're finished, unload, show clear. If clear, hammer down and holster.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Manage your ammo for your next string, 803. Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. If finished, unload, show clear. If clear, hammer down, holster. 866. Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Ah, frick. If finished, unload, show clear. If clear, hammer down, holster.
Fuck, that was a good idea, but
Alpha Charlie.
Shot it again.
Alpha Charlie.
oh wait, you're right.
Charlie.
You shot it there, and I'm like, okay.
2 Alpha.
Alpha.
I'll wait for you.
I just wanted to make sure I did it right.
All right, so far, I've gotten, I think, 3 Bs, 1 A, and 1 C. I just did a C, so not too bad so far. I'm going for a B, so just got to keep it up. But we're on to the next stage.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. If finished, unload, show clear. If clear, hammer down, holster.
Why'd you shoot that again?
Yeah. You already had 2
Alpha
alphas.
Charlie.
Did I?
Yeah.
Ah,
2 Alpha.
I'm sorry, Dave.
6'7".
You know 6'7" is actually like police code for 1067, which is like a dead body.
Do you know?
We just say dead body. No, I'm just kidding.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by.
Oh shoot.
If you're finished, unload, show clear. If clear, hammer down and holster.
You knew it.
Yeah.
You just skipped it.
Yep.
3 Alpha.
Good recovery.
Thanks. I was running. I'm like, I can't stop.
Everybody run it that way before.
Zigzag?
Yeah.
you got halfway over there, you realized
Yeah.
it, didn't you?
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. If finished, unload, show clear. If clear, hammer down, holster.
Sweet 5'8".
Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. If finished, unload, show clear. If clear, hammer down, holster.
5. Okay. Come on. There we go. Thanks, sir. We just finished up. I am driving home. It was an hour and a half away, but thank you guys for watching. That was a fun shoot. I will post the stats in the video as you start hearing what I placed. I don't know what I placed, but hopefully I got a C. It'd be really cool if I got a B, but we'll see. We'll see. But thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed these videos, please consider subscribing because these videos are fun to make, and I'm already doing it already, so it doesn't hurt to make more and show you guys what the competition looks like. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.